If you are using ChatGPT but still spending hours rewriting, fixing tone, or fighting with prompts, it is not your fault. Most people never learn the simple workflows that turn AI into a reliable, daily productivity engine. In this video, I'm going to show you a faster way, and if it makes sense for you, you can download the complete training on www.dpkey.net or with the link in the description. Let's start with the problem. You open ChatGPT, type a prompt, and the output is okay. Then you tweak, paste in extra context, try again, and suddenly you've lost 30 minutes. Maybe you've heard about Vision, voice mode, or projects, but you are not sure how to use them together. You're busy. You need results that are clear, consistent, and ready to publish. Today, here's the solution. A 20-part, step-by-step video course that teaches you exactly how to set up ChatGPT for your work. Use Vision to extract structured insights from images and screenshots. Speak ideas out loud with voice mode to brainstorm and refine faster, and organize everything with projects, so you can reuse winning prompts and workflows on demand. No fluff. Just short, punchy lessons you can apply the same day. Imagine this. You drop a screenshot of messy notes into ChatGPT with Vision, and instantly get a clean outline, bullet points, and action items. You record a 60-second voice note, and turn it into a polished email or a short script. You run a repeatable content workflow that gives you headline options, an intro paragraph, subheadings, and a closing paragraph, formatted and ready to paste into your document or CMS. That is exactly what you'll be able to do after the first few lessons. What's inside the course? You'll learn how to configure ChatGPT for clarity, structure, and brand tone. Use Vision to convert images, PDFs, and slides into usable text and briefs. Brainstorm and edit in real time with voice mode to eliminate writer's block. Build projects that store prompts, examples, and assets for repeat use. Format outputs with headings, bullets, and tables so your drafts are publish-ready. Plug these workflows into everyday tasks, content, proposals, lesson plans, product pages, research, and more. Who is this for? Creators who want to publish more often. Freelancers who need to deliver polished work faster. Teachers and trainers who want better materials in less time. Small business owners who need clear writing without hiring a full team. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not technical. You don't need to be. Every lesson is a screen-guided walkthrough with simple prompts you can copy and adapt. I've watched free videos, why pay? Free tips are scattered and inconsistent. This course gives you a complete, proven system, end-to-end, so you stop guessing and start producing. Do I need extra software? No. You'll use ChatGPT and the features covered in the lessons. How fast will I see results? Many people apply the first workflow the same day, because each lesson ends with an action step you can try immediately. Here's the real benefit. Consistency. When your outputs have the same structure and quality every time, you save hours of editing, you publish sooner, and you look more professional to clients, students, or your audience. That consistency is what turns AI from a toy into a tool. If you're ready to make that shift, you can download the course right now on www.dpkey.net or simply use the link in the description. It's a digital product. No shipping, no waiting. As soon as you purchase, you get instant access by email and can start watching on desktop, tablet, or mobile. We're releasing this with introductory pricing for a short period. When the current allocation ends, the price will increase. If you're seeing this video while the offer is still active, this is your moment to lock it in. Picture what changes this week when you have the workflows set up. You outline a video or blog post in minutes. You rewrite an email thread into a clear, friendly response. You turn a meeting photo or whiteboard snapshot into a tidy action plan. You repurpose one piece of content across platforms with consistent tone. That's time back, projects finished, and momentum you can feel. So here's what to do next. Click the link in the description or go to www.dpkey.net. Grab the ChatGPT Sora 20-part video course, open the first lesson, and try the quick win exercise. In under 10 minutes, you'll have a repeatable workflow you can use every day. If this video helped you see what's possible, hit like so more people can find it, and subscribe for practical AI workflows you can actually use. But most importantly, don't leave this for later. The introductory price is available for a limited time, and the sooner you start, the sooner you ship better work. Download now on www.dpkey.net or via the link in the description. I'll see you inside the course.